How be do? Oh, right, it's been a while since I've been out. I've had stuff going on. Yeah, it's been quite a sad time, really. Unfortunately, my mum passed away like a month ago, so not been really feeling it. So yeah, this is probably my first video for since then. Probably about 3 months since my last one, which was one on Cynict in the Terra Nova tent, which was really got a lot of good feedback, positive and negative from that one. Yeah, so anyway, I've come to one that I've been to before, so apologies if I pronounced this one wrong. EIFL, it's on the North Wales coast, and currently we're staying at Halfpenny caravan site. So we've got beautiful weather today, so I thought why not come out and try this one again, because the last time I came here I was sat in a cloud at the top. So if you can see from today, it looks pretty good, clear up there to me. Yeah, so it's been a bit of shit time, really. And it took me a while to kind of get back out there again. Well, obviously anyone who's been through the same knows what I'm on about, but I think I'm going to disable the comments for this one, just for personal reasons. If you like what you see, just like it. But yeah, this is it's a really nice place. I mean, look at the views. You're right on the sea line. You've got the mountains in the background. You've got a mad person running up the hill. The car park's down here somewhere, which is free. And up there is where we're going. Right, I've just tried to, I don't think you'll be able to see it. Well, you might be, saying that, you might be able to. I zoomed in as much as I could. I'm just using the DJI Pocket 2. But across to here, I think it's Port of Neffin, something like that. Neffin, but you've got down this area somewhere, I think, is it there? You've got like a little beach, and there's like, that bit that juts out is like a golf course. And it's supposed to be like, I don't know, one of the most beautiful beaches or whatever, Wales apparently. But I've been across that side. I've not been across to the actual beach, but it is beautiful down there. But it's just stunning. It's a stunning weather. You all right? But yeah, you've got like cracking views, and down here you've got like some kind of ruins. See if we can get them in. Down here, is it down here somewhere? Down? Yeah, some like old, it must be slate mines or something like that. And then on the way up to EIFL, you've got this one. I'm not sure, again, I'm not sure of the name of this one. There's like some kind of building and antennas at the side of it. But that looks like, you get up there, flipping heck, you've got amazing views at the top of that, you're right on the coast. I might give that a go first, with the weather being nice. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, it's like yesterday, it was a bit hit and miss, and then the forecast, really, what's going on there, it's a bit too zoomed in, is that, innit? I want to see my ugly mush. What's going on? It won't change. Sorry, apologies. There we go. Right, that's more like it. So I get the sun opposite way. Yeah, but yesterday the weather was like horrible in the morning, then alright-ish. Then the forecast says, oh, it's going to be a bit of rain. I thought, oh my god. Then this morning it was just beautiful. It's changed again as per normal. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. I've got another camera with me. See what that's like, just for like the, because I'm using the DJI Pocket 2, which I'm on now. But you go out in the bad weather, things like that, like GoPros. But I've got a DJI Accent where you can, the bottom's not waterproof, but the top you can clip that down, and that's all right. But I'll do some, and I've got like the DJI Accent stick, which you can extend. So I'll see, just messing with it really, just see what you can kind of create with that. I'm sure there's all sorts you can do with it, but yeah, the DJI Pocket 2, I think, because you can have the mic, external mic and all this kind of thing, I think it's great. And it's so tiny to put in your pocket, but yeah. And I've also got the drone with me. Last time obviously it was pointless because we just sat in a cloud at the top, and the wind, it is quite windy at the moment, but it still might be worth a risk. See if we can get it up there and do a circle of us, because yeah, because the scenery is stunning. Right, okay, and carry on. Well, you'll find out in a second if I'm going to hit that one first. Let's have a look. Let's keep going. Go. Beautiful. No mic, as it is with the DJI Accent 2. Oh, there's loads of goldfinch flying around, and I can't. Just tried to get them, but yeah, just messing around. I just dropped some flipping DJI Pocket on the floor. What an idiot! It's got a few marks in it. I think it's all right. But yeah, there's been a couple of people running up here, which. I wish I could do that. But yeah, it's, see if you can see this properly now. It's just beautiful. Now this looks interesting. There's a bit down here. It looks like it's got a big shelf on it. Well, that is one of those. I'll see if I can figure out the path up. And, yeah, let's see what that's like. See you in a minute. All went wrong way. You can just follow the path from the bottom in front of the outbuildings, and it just takes you straight to these steps, these really steep steps. So yes, let's get up here and go up around the corner. Oh, I'll probably tell you what that is, won't it? It's just like a telephone mast or something, I think. But cracking views up here. That looks nice down there, whatever that is. Oh, it's getting a bit windy. That needs to go away. Okay, right. special. Bloody hell, I'll tell you what, it's a killer on your knees, is this. Ooh. Right, catch you in a minute. Bye. Right, I'm having a moment here. I didn't realise it was wowzers. It's so windy. Right, I think I'll get back down straight away. Did it. I think I went up the wrong way because the coming down was easier, apart from the tiny bit at the bottom, sliding down it on my backside. So yeah, this thing's just an antenna by the look of it. And then I'll go all the way down these bloody things. Then hopefully I'm going to go up there and go up there. So yeah, had a bit of a moment then. But what am I going up here for? I'm not going to be able to get down. Wow, but the views at the top are amazing. But yeah, it wasn't as bad as I first predicted. So I'm glad I carried on. I hope you can hear me because the wind is horrific. But yeah, okay, get me sitting down, go to the next one. See you in a minute. Right, I'm on my way up EIFL, whatever it's called, and the one I've just done is this one to the top of there. But yeah, it's only tiny, but yeah, it's the views and everything. I know I keep going on about the views, but that's kind of why I do it. But yeah, the views are not great. But I think this is, it's not a mountain, it's just under, but it's on the trail magazine's top 100 list just because of the views. I think it's about around 600. It's just under what you can class as a mountain, which I had this conversation last week with Richard, Mr. Wild Astro. Now I can't remember what it was. I think it's 600 and something meters before it's classed as a mountain. This is just underneath it, but it's yeah, it's definitely recommend coming here. You've got lots of different options. I think there's a couple more on the other side. There's one with like ruins. of somewhere. But yeah, bloody hell, didn't predict this wind. Said 10-15 mile an hour. Oh, it's really boggy. But yeah, so I'm gonna pop it away and bring you in when I'm back up near the top. See you in a minute, bye! Far off the scrambling bit now. I think you can see the slightly different coloured rock, sandy rock. So I think you'll come around and work around it. We'll find out anyway. It's not. I don't think it's not too far now. But yes, it's pretty steep. Just get to here, but again. Going about the views, but look at that. Right, so I'm sat at the summit having a cup of coffee, obviously. I don't think there's anything, before I finished, like a bit like Trafan on these rocks, I dropped my external microphone straight through the rocks. I've lifted all the rocks up to find it again, put it back in my bag, but I'm out of the wind a bit, so I presume you can hear me. But thank you for watching. I'm not going to film anymore now. Might just do a little bit of a scenic shot, then I'm going to head on back down the other side and get back to my caravan. And probably this is it for this holiday. It's nice to get out and do something like this in a place, but it's absolutely recommend it. It is so nice here. The views are unbelievable. Yeah, and it's quite challenging in parts as well. So yeah, I suppose it's as challenging as you want to make it. There's different paths you can come up. But yeah, I don't think. Hopefully, it won't be as long from my next video. Hopefully, do a camping one next time. But obvious reasons, I'm not being made from not being in it. But I'm going to disable the comments on this one. If you like it, please like it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bloody hell, my hat nearly flew off then. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.